Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. So exactly how you see the name of my channel, it's what's in. Today I will show you what is inside of air diffuser. As you can see, this one is the air diffuser. We can go and see what is inside. So let's start to open, but before that, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and I will see you in a few seconds. I am back. So this is the air diffuser that I'm speaking to you. The name is Anjou, and this is Anjou. The model is AGAD001, and it's a normal air diffuser. On the back of the label, it's right aroma diffuser. So who knows? So we can open like this, and here inside, so this is the lid, and this is the part where the steam is going out from this air diffuser. So let's put it back. Here you can put the water, and inside of this you can put the aroma sense like this. So now let's take a screwdriver, and as you can see here, we have 3 screws. Let's take it out. I never opened this one, so it's also something new for me, and you can see for the first time exactly what I see. Oh, it's very easy. It just opened. So I split it in 2 parts. This is the bottom one, the bottom part. That here we have 2 buttons, a button for light and a button for mist. There are the LEDs. This is a fan that I see for the other parts. I don't know if you can see, but it has some dust inside, so I must to clean it. So let's open and see how it is inside. So this is the fan. It's not very dirty, but we must to clean a little bit. So yeah, I clean it, and now let's put it back. and see next what other parts it have. So here I think this one is the motherboard, and here is the heating, or where it's heat the water and make steam. So let's see how it is. So this is just a lid. And this is the heating. So let's put it back. Yeah, so this is what this air diffuser have inside. Not too many things, just a simple mechanism, some parts, but not too many. So now let's put it back and see how it's working. Let's put the screws. Let's put all the parts together. So this is the air diffuser, the Anjou air diffuser. I will turn on this one, and I will put some aroma sense and water inside, and I will show you how it's working. So to do that, I will switch the cameras in the other views. So let's switch the camera right now. So welcome back. This is the air diffuser that I already show you what is inside. Now I just plug into the socket to the electricity, and now let's see how it's working. So we'll open the lid. I just prepare this recipient with water. I put water. Usually you must put 2 of these. And now I have this aroma sense. It's with T3 aroma. So let's put it just a few drops. That's enough. And now let's put the lid back. Now let's start it. So as you can see, it start to working. You can see the steam. It smells very nice. So here you can choose 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours, or to work continuous. Depend how long you want. And from the lights, you can change the LED lights. So you can let automatically to change the lights by itself, or you can choose the color. What color? Red, purple, yellow, green, blue, purple, so on. Still you can switch off, but usually I let this one to work automatically, so it's much better especially in the evening. It smells very nice inside of the house, and also is like a lamp, a night lamp. So that's it with this air diffuser named Anjou. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and thank you. Have a nice day.